Now we move on to an important factor in SEO known as on-page optimization. What exactly is on-page optimization? It is a set of tips and techniques that you implement on your website to enable it to appear high in Google search results. These factors are implemented once you have finished structuring your website and implementing the right content. The first one is meta tags. When you type in a particular keyword in Google, you find results containing those particular keywords. So I have searched for flights online. What do I see? Make My Trip, SpiceJet and Jet Airways. In Make My Trip, I see the keyword flight and flights coming in. In SpiceJet, I see online air tickets. In Make My Trip also I see air ticket. So the synonym, the exact phrase is present in the title tag as well as in the description tag. The one that appears above the URL of the result is called the title tag. The one that appears below the URL of that result is called the description tag. A meta tag usually consists of three parameters: title tag, description tag, and keyword tag. Title tags should not exceed 60 to 65 characters. The description tag should not exceed 155 to 160 characters. You must ensure whenever you are implementing a meta tag on a page that all important keywords that you want this page to appear for in Google search results is included in the first 65 characters with spaces in the title tag and within the first 155 to 160 characters in the description tag. The keyword tag does not appear in Google search results. In the keyword tag, all important keywords are to be implemented the same way you have done it for your title tag. Keyword tag does not have any particular limit since it does not appear in Google search results. But you must also ensure that it does not exceed more than 100 or 150 characters. So cheap air tickets, flight ticket booking of domestic and international flights would be the ideal title tag for macmytrip.com/flights. All keywords are included. It is not necessary that you include your domain name within the title tag. Why? Because your domain name is already provided in your URL that is appearing in the search result. The description tag is more of a conversational format of the title tag. So the description tag here reads: book cheap air tickets at $14.99, get best deals on flight bookings of domestic flights, airfare deals, cheap flight tickets with best price guarantee. So all important keywords are included in the description tag, however in a conversational format. Let's look at the description tag for SpiceJet. Book low flight tickets with SpiceJet and avail great airfare deals, discounts and savings to 46 Indian cities and 8 international destinations. Flight is a keyword that is present. Flight tickets because it goes with flights. Airfare is a synonym which is again present. So what also needs to be seen is the added content that supports the keyword being searched. When you're searching for flights online, what is the user looking for? He's looking for the amount of cities or the location that you're catering to. And what is the offer that you're giving me on this particular product that I'm searching for? That is how you write meta tags for each and every page of your website. Then you have image alt tags and video optimization. If any particular keyword is highly searched and requires some amount of visualization to generate engagement, Google, through its universal search criteria, provides images and videos within its search results. Now, how do you get your images and videos to appear in Google search results? First, you'll have to optimize your images. So, for images that is present in your website, in a page that talks about Kerala tourism, you will have to optimize an image alt tag and a title tag to that particular image. Google, while indexing that particular page, will read through those tags present in the image and have it appear in search result. For videos, you will have a Google account to log into YouTube. You'll have a channel. When you're uploading a video, ensure that you implement the right kind of keywords in the title of that particular video. Just like a web page allows you to implement a title, description and keyword tag, when you're uploading a video to YouTube, you get an option to implement a title and description tag. Have the video uploaded and embedded into the respective landing pages in your website. YouTube offers you an option, a code, which you can implement on your website for that video to be embedded. Next, we move on to header tags. What exactly are header tags? I said this before. Every other page that you create will have content and you will have a title defining this particular content. Let us not confuse with title tags in meta tags and title of content. Both are separate. The title of content defines that particular page and needs a H1 tag implemented. Header tags ranges from H1 to H4, with H1 assuming highest importance. So if in a page you have one main title, say book domestic and international flights as hotels, as for this page called hotels. You will have other subtitles like Bangalore hotels or hotel by cities or international hotels. Those titles, subtitles will have an H2 tag implemented because they are secondary. The main page title here is book domestic and international hotels. Hence an H1 tag will go into this. Next is you have link title tags. What are link title tags? So in a website, when you browse across pages, you'll find interlinks, you'll find links in the overlay, that is the primary menu, and the footer. You need to tell users and Google which page that particular link is actually directing you to. There you will need to have a title tag implemented. Here in this illustration, I see auto secure private car package policy. What exactly is this page talking about? It talks about private car insurance policy. When I mouse over this particular link, that title tag to this link appears. In the second illustration, I see travel guard. What exactly is travel guard? It is international travel insurance that can be availed online. So when Google crawls over this link, when a user mouses over this link, the title tag that defines this particular link comes up. We as users, we read it. As search engines, Google bots or Google robots read that title tag and provides weightage to the page that you're directing a user to.